A custom GPT that I think every single company should have if you've got more than 20 employees is what I call a Company Navigator GPT. And that is a GPT that is trained with all of the policies of your company, like the work hours, attendance, the overtime, the compensation, the pay information, like the pay slip information, the company overview, and all like the holiday leaves. Can I get a holiday leave? How many days do I have? And all that sort of stuff, which if you are a company of 20 or more, you usually have that stuff. That should be all given to a custom GPT so that the employees can just ask the GPT instead of the poor manager or the poor HR person that already has enough on their plate. Let me show you how you can build one very, very quickly, and it's only accessible to the people in your company, so you don't have to worry about your sensitive information being used by ChatGPT. I've created here a fake company policy that you can see. It's for my company. You probably should have this. It's somewhere on your website or internal documentation. You want to export it as a TXT file. So I'm going to go download and then TXT. I've got that file there. Perfect. I'm going to go to GPT and I am wanting to create a GPT. There'll be someone in the company that needs a paid account with GPT to create this. If you've got a paid account, you should see Explore GPTs here. You're going to go to Create. Before you do though, because you don't want to share your sensitive information, you're going to go to Settings here, and in Data Controls, you're just going to make sure that you've got this off. Improve the model for everyone. Very cheeky wording there by OpenAI. This is going to disable your content to be used for training the models, which means, your data should be, technically speaking, only within your own GPT account. So you're going to disable that. Now that you've got that there, you should be a lot more secure. You're going to go to Create, and you're going to just, first of all, allow the code interpreter and data analysis on. You're going to upload the file with all the company policies there, the text files, and then you're going to paste this easy prompt. I've got a whole video on how to create custom prompts for this instance, but it's just telling you to act like a well-informed assistant for savvy employees. And it's just telling you when an employee asks a question, look through your knowledge base and then answer the question. It's that simple, really. It doesn't have to be that complicated. And now I'm going to go Savvy Company Navigator, and that's it. I'm going to test it to make sure that I'm happy with the output. How many holiday days do I have? Perfect. So employees at Savvy are entitled to 20 days. Yeah, perfect. Let's do something a little bit more scary. I'm being harassed. What do? HR department. It gives the email, and there you go. What about working from home? Perfect. So the intention here is just for a really simple GPT to answer 99% of the questions that you get. You can train it a little bit more to say that if it doesn't have the required information to answer that question, then to contact X, Y, and Z person. Once you have it answering the questions in the way that you're happy with, you just need to create it, make sure that you've only selected anyone with the link, and then you can put that link that it's going to give you in a minute that I'll show you, this one here, to the company database, whether that's on Slack or whatever. Nice, easy use case I think everyone should have.